to add email address on your Facebook account in 2026, launch the app. Now, you can either go to your profile, tap on Edit Profile, and then scroll down a bit to Email section, hit the pen icon, and you'll end up in here. Or you can just go straight to Menu, tap on this little icon, to Account Center, scroll down to Personal Details, then to Contact Info, and then you gotta select Add Email. Now after that, in this bar, you gotta enter the full email address that is not been used to any Facebook account whatsoever, because you cannot use the same email address on more than one account. And then if you have multiple accounts listed in here, just select the one to add that specific email and hit Next. Now, a verification code will be sent to your email address. Just grab that, just get that code and put down that exact code carefully in this bar and then hit Next. And that's it. That email address is now added to your Facebook account. Thanks for watching.